Paint allows you to use the curve to draw custom shapes. Select the Home tab. From the Shapes group, click the curve icon. Now, let's select the size of the curve. On the Home tab, click the arrow below the size icon. Select the required thickness of the curve. In the drawing area, draw a line. Then, click anywhere on the line and drag the mouse pointer to modify a curve. You will observe that the curve is created. You can make changes in a curve only twice. Once you add the curve to the drawing, you cannot edit it.